a heavy package for video review. Let's see what we got here. A box inside a box. Wow, this is heavy. Oh wow, this is a 12-piece flexible head ratcheting wrench set. Wow, this looks nice. Look at this. This is going to be very useful for a lot of different things, and I love the packaging. Let's see one of them. Wow, I like it. Looks like a piece of art actually. I'll try it in a little bit. So here it is, this 12-piece flexible head ratcheting wrench set. This is my little shop. So we'll have to find a good place to display it, because again, I think it's pretty cool looking. I have a bunch of tools. Maybe it'll go here. I don't know. We'll find a place, but we're gonna try it with a few different uses here. So let's go and do that. So here's one example of use with these tools. Let's see how good I am at measuring it. We're going for this. Let's try this one. No, too small. Let's try this one, the next one. No, one more. This has to fit. I'm not a mechanic, as you can tell. Oh, not even that one. So one more up. There you go. As you can see how easy it is to reverse if you're going one way. You go like that, you go the opposite way, just turn it around and put it on. So I mean, this is just a little demonstration. I don't need to do any adjustments, but that's one use. Let's see here with the car. I also have this beautiful red Mazda Miata, and let's look for a tidy spot here. This is a small car, a small engine hub, so it will be difficult to reach some of the tight spaces there. For example, let's say we're going for this one all the way down here. Let's try that. This is a little one, so I'm not a mechanic, so no, that's not it. Let's try the smallest one and see if that one fits. Yeah, it does. So let's say we're going for this space, and obviously it will be difficult with any other tool, but this one you go in, and as you can see, you can work with it. Again, I don't need to adjust anything. This is just a demonstration, but this way you can just turn it around the way you want to go. Ooh. And as you heard, it's gonna start raining, so I'm gonna go inside. Well, that was a demonstration, the quick demonstration for this. So here we are with this trailer we used to transport a motorcycle, and it has obviously a lot of nuts that need to be adjusted all the time or checked. We actually replaced this. Let's see underneath what we will need to do here. So you see we have all these nuts. There you go. Look at that. How easy that is. And obviously, to reverse it or to take them off, you turn them around. But this is really good quality, really good looking, so this is a keeper. Let's see another, just to play a little bit like a demonstration here. No, we needed one bigger. There you go. These are really good to make sure that everything is in place every time we go out for a trip. So here you have it. SUZUME 12-piece flexible head ratcheting wrench set. Let's put it back in the shop. So welcome to the shop, and for now I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna use this little hanger we have there, and it's gonna leave there for now. So pretty cool. Thank you SUZUME for this set. It's really nice.